Amidst the emerald hues of the Caribbean, there lies an island nation on the cusp of a remarkable transformation. Welcome to Grenada, the Spice Isle, where the scent of nutmeg drifts through the air and the promise of progress whispers on the wind. In a landmark pledge, Prime Minister Dickon Mitchell has vowed to usher in a new era for Grenada. By legalizing and commercializing cannabis, the nation honors both its Rastafarian community and its citizens, embarking on a journey of growth and inclusivity. Envision an island where cannabis symbolizes not just freedom, but a flourishing future. This green wave promises to revitalize agriculture, bolster tourism, and celebrate the rich tapestry of Grenadian culture. As Grenada stands on the brink of its 50th anniversary of independence, it also stands at the dawn of a new age. This bold step towards cannabis legalization is a testament to unity, respect, and the shared dreams of its people. Join us in witnessing this historic moment in Grenada. As the island embraces its green wave, we invite you to explore the beauty, the culture, and the future of cannabis freedom in the Caribbean. Stay tuned for more stories of innovation and tradition from around the world. Subscribe to our channel, and let's explore together the waves of change shaping our global community. Follow us on social media for behind-the-scenes content and more inspiring stories. Together, let's discover the world's wonders.